at your designer. In this video we will be seeing how we can change the color of this rectangle when we hover. When my cursor comes upon this, then the color of the rectangle should change in my prototype. Okay, so in this we will be doing one thing. I will just take this, copy this over here. So this is a frame. Make sure you are doing things on frame because prototype works on frame. If this would have been a rectangle, then I could not connect this and this. Only two frames can be connected. Just remember that. Okay, so this is a frame. You can see frame 5. This is also a frame. You can see frame. Let's make it rectangle 2, right? And name this frame as rectangle 1. Okay, now we have to connect rectangle 1 with rectangle 2 and change the color of this rectangle 1 to yellow maybe. Okay, so first of all I'll change the color. This just make sure that this should be your final prototype, final thing, so it becomes like this. Okay, so this will be your final color. This color will appear when I will hover on this one. Okay, so let's now do the prototyping. First of all, click on this. Okay, click on this, go to the prototype. Okay, I'm clicking on this, I'm connecting. First of all, connect two things. Okay, so connect what you want. This is my final result, so connect this with this. Okay, the results has been connected. Now how the result will happen, now you will decide. Okay, on click, first thing on click, no, I want it while hovering. Okay, navigate to right, navigate where, to the rectangle to correct. Dissolve, what I want, a dissolve, smart animate, move in, push out. Okay, I want smart animate. Okay, maybe we can do dissolve also. Dissolve is also fine with me. In and out, that's fine. All these things you can set according to you. It's not very important. The thing will happen even without doing changing these things. Okay, now the next thing is that I okay, so navigate to. Now I don't want navigate to, but I want it open overlay, because if I do navigate to now, you just see what will happen if I do navigate to. You can see the play, you can play button over here. You can click on this, a pop-up here. See what is happening when I'm hovering on this. It's navigating to the rectangle. The change is not happening. It's just navigating to the rectangle. The new screen is this now. Okay, I don't want that. So I'll again click on this arrow and this thing will appear. I don't want to navigate to, but I want is open overlay. Okay, open overlay. Overlay means this thing will appear on this thing, open overlay. When I click on open overlay, then some more settings come up. You want open overlay centered or what? I want it manual. I want where I want this rectangle when I hover. I want the rectangle exactly upon this when I hover. Okay, that thing is done. So what I set is that while hovering, open overlay, go to which place, rectangle number 2, dissolve, this is upon you, easy, now this is upon you, manual, because I wanted to set the exact position. I don't believe on this Figma. I want to set the exact position. Add background, if you want to add a background when you're hovering, that's fine. If you don't want to add, that's again fine. Now you have done all the settings, you can close it now and then just go to the prototype again. Now see the magic. When I hover like this, the color of the rectangle changes. Now you can use this fundamental thing on changing the size of the rectangle. Maybe the final size will be different. You changing this text size, whatever. Okay.